Sir, very happy evening to all my dear lovable students. I believe that your preparations for the May examination are going very well. We have completed completing our 4 days of our schedule. We are moving into the last day. Super. Tomorrow is a very important day. For the entire Tamil Nadu, it is very important. Sir, everyone is discussing that TVKவா, DMKவா, ADMKவா, இவங்க எவ்வளோ சீட்டு, அவங்க எவ்வளோ சீட்டு, will Vijay will be the next CM of Tamil Naduவா, or will Stalin itself will be continued as a CM, will Edapadi Palanisamy all pass will come, all these discussions are going on. அவங்க பிரச்சனை. நமக்கு என்னன்னா, will the sir amalgamation will be getting over or not? Tomorrow we are going to celebrate as internal reconstruction day, the last chapter. The only reason why we are going to do the internal reconstruction tomorrow is not because of the reason that it is irrelevant for exam. Since it has been asked last time for 14 mark, there is no hard and fast rule that last time if it has been asked for 14 mark, this time it should not be asked. Right? Because the people who are conducting the examination is called as ICAI. They can have any sort of suspense. We can't say, even we can say something in exit poll, but ICAI, even that poll also not possible. So my dear lovable students, tomorrow morning you continue with the computation of GST payable because it won't take much time. Morning 7 to 7:45, 8 o'clock computation of GST payable. By tomorrow you stop it. Day after tomorrow on the day of accounts examination, don't sit and do computation of GST payable. Then slot number 2, very important slot, 8 to 11:30. Please do AS7 and expected AS4 examination. Construction contract will come this time. Or AS9 revenue recognition, AS17, all the 5 tests you are supposed to do. Sir, have a pakka revision. All the questions, including our workbook and the compiler you complete. 7, 9, 17 should be completed in the 8 to 11:30 slot. 12 to 1:30 slot, complete the case scenario booklet. In case, if you completed the case scenario, current RTP, MTP1, MTP2 case scenarios you complete. You seal it. That's it. My dear lovable students, slot number 4, 2 to 5:30, 6 o'clock. Sir, you are supposed to do 5 questions from internal reconstruction, revise 5 questions from IR. Don't do 10 questions and all. Because this is second category expectation area. So do 5 questions, but still I am saying there is a chance that it will come in examination. Revise 5 to 7 questions. Okay, in the entry vanda ipdi adjust pannu. Okay, equity share capital account debit to capital reduction account, like that and all. You have to do a revision. Then my dear lovable students, you have to complete the amalgamation in the nature of sir merger, an expected area from the amalgamation. So the second expected area from the amalgamation is merger. The first priority is students limited. If ICAI is not asking students limited, this time we can expect a merger question, which may take, sir, your 1.5 hours to 2 hours of your preparation time. Happily you prepare. Tomorrow we are having time because we are not going to do computation of total income DT. That 1 hour will be saved for you. Then evening slot, you have to suppose to do the next 2 AS. In that, revise AS18 and revise AS20. If you see the track, last time only AS20 has been asked for 5 mark. So I am not expecting a full-fledged question from AS20. Last time only AS18 has been asked for 4 mark. Both the AS has been tested last time. This time it's very less chance to test. If they are testing also, they may be testing in MCQ for 2 marks. Right. So for that purpose, you just have a revision, my dear lovable students. In that, first revise AS18, then revise AS20. That's the target. Then my dear lovable students, in computation of total income, by evening to wrap up, do every 1 question from every 1 chapter. Like schedule 3, 1 question you do, cash flow statement 1 question you do, investment accounts 1 question, consolidation 1 question, IR 1 question, amalgamation 1 question, and buyback and branch. Basically from evening 7 o'clock you keep it, by 11, 11:30 you do. For this 7 to 11:30, you can do RTP question as 1 question, MTP1 of the current and MTP2 of the current. You can have a happy sleep. On the day of examination, what you are supposed to do, tomorrow I will tell you how you have to utilize that 0.5 days. So we have done with schedule 3 preparation, cash flow statement preparation, investment accounts consolidation. Sir, amalgamation by tomorrow will be completing. Buyback, if you have skipped a branch, okay, fine. Or if you have prepared branch, any other topic, okay, fine. By tomorrow we'll be completing IR also. And we have completed all the expected standards, my dear lovable students. I believe that, sir, your preparations are going very, very well. Sir, whoever wins, whether it is DMK again or new party TVK is going to force, that will not change our May examination results. I'm not saying that that is not important. That is important, but there is much more priority than election results. So don't spend much of your time where 100% you are sitting before the TV, because TV channels nalaki tiruvida. Everyone will celebrate that like anything. Every reporters will be ready, points will be ready, because for the TRP they will be presenting in such a manner that, sir, more than election, it will be interesting. Election counting has been started. Sir, in the every news will be reporting. So, my dear lovable students, okay, fine. நம்ம போய் பேன் உட்காந்து பார்த்துட்டு காலையில் 8 மணிக்கு ஐயோ 2 மணி ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அல்டிமேட்டா ஈவினிங் 4 மணி ஆகும்போது என்ன ரிசல்ட் வரும்னா இதர் டிஎம்கே ஜெயிச்சிச்சுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, இல்லை டிவிகே, இல்லை ஏடிஎம்கே, அவ்வளோதான். இதை ஈவினிங் நீ 4 o'clock ஓகே இவங்க இத்தனை சீட்ஸுக்கு ஜெயிச்சிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சாலும் ஒன்று தான். அந்த இமோஷனோட அப்படியே ஒரு நாள் ட்ராவல் பண்ணாலும் ஒன்று தான். அப்படி ஒரு நாள் ட்ராவல் பண்ணேன்னா internal reconstruct ஆகாது, external reconstruction ஆகிடும். Don't do that mistake, my dear lovable students. So, yes, many things will be happening around us. In that deviation, how much we are focused is what the 2 words, sir, certainly achievable is all about. Tomorrow is a very important day. Again, I am repeating, don't waste your day, because the entire 4 months, 6 months, 10 months will be gone. More than studying, if you don't sit with the books, we'll be having a feeling that, ayyo, na padikkaliyada, guilt. Generally, if you are having a guilt, that can be rectified by passing a rectification of errors. But tomorrow, since day after tomorrow is the examination, there is no time to even pass a rectification entry. So don't do that, sir. Let it a very good and a peaceful day throughout Tamil Nadu. We wish for the same. And sir, yes, sir, confident arunga, vetri nichayam. Will meet at the appropriate time. Thank you. Bye from